of the state president of the Bharatiya Janata Party. In fact, all of them have said that Nitish Kumar would be the CM of Bihar. See, what I got to learn from the BJP sources here is that as far as the BJP is concerned, there's going to be some of the changes. Some changes is going to take place as far as the Deputy Chief Minister post is concerned. But they are very much clear on the fact that the NDA government will be formed and it will be formed under Nitish Kumar. Right now, none of the leaders have gone
with us. In fact, breaking news is also coming in on our show right now as far as Mahagathbandhan is concerned. Let's quickly flash that up. We are given to understand it's a face saving for Mahagathbandhan. We look at the number of seats that they are getting, it perhaps is also increasing. But while Tejashwi Yadav is concerned, it looks like he's pulled a win. He's pulled a win from his home turf of Raghupur. He has won with a margin of 14,000 plus votes. So Tejashwi Yadav, a big, face savior there as far as the Raghupur seat is concerned. For Tejashwi Yadav, he has managed to retain his own seat on which he was earlier trailing with about 8,500 votes. It now appears that he has won that seat by 14,000 votes. That's the significant breakthrough there, at least as far as Tejashwi Yadav, the chief ministerial face of Mahagathbandhan, is concerned. He is able to at least retain his own seat there as far as seat of Raghupur is concerned. Let me quickly go back to Sabya. The fortunes there of Mahagathbandhan dwindling as we speak, but Tejashwi Yadav at least emerging victorious in Raghupur.
Well, see, Tejashwi Yadav winning the Raghupur seat. See, the Raghupur seat, Tejashwi have been on the Raghupur constituency, and it is a stronghold of the RJD. It is a stronghold of Tejashwi Yadav, and from different areas in Raghupur, there are strong sentiment for Tejashwi Yadav, and he is able to win his seat. It's some sort of face saving as far as the RJD is concerned, because the RJD was quite high on confidence. In fact, several of the RJD leaders said that we don't agree on the exit polls, we are going to form the government. And in fact, the RJD said that it's going to be a very tough fight. It's going to be a tricky fight between the India bloc and the NDA. But the RJD performing in this manner with all their calculations completely failing regarding the Muslim Yadav factor, and also focusing on the other caste like the extreme backward caste or the Mahadalit, that clearly outreach has failed from the RJD. And what is more important to note is that the seat distribution from the RJD, when the RJD think tank was deciding which seat to allot to whom, at that particular time, prior meeting or prior focus was not given from the RJD think tank. In fact, that also had created a lot of problem as far as the RJD is concerned. So all in all, RJD, looking at this particular performance that the RJD has given, in fact, RJD hope that since last time the performance that we saw in 2020, it was more because of the sharp anti-incumbency which could be seen against Nitish Kumar,